Many companies have water filters for pretty much every application and size. Replacement cartridge filters, whole house filters, reverse osmosis filters, even backwashing filters. What's different about filters from U.S. water systems is the fact that our filters and filter housings are made right here in America, while most others are made overseas. They may cost slightly more, but the difference in quality is night and day. For example, one of our 20-inch pleated filters uses 36 square feet of media. That's 30 to 50% more than other pleated filters. This means it will filter better and last longer. We also use these filter housings. Our gray filter housings have a few differences over blue ones that go beyond just color. A blue housing means made in China. A gray housing means made in America. The gray housings are compatible with our filters that use the double O-ring seal. This locks the filter in place, meaning no water or contaminants can sneak past it. 100% of your water is getting filtered 100% of the time. At U.S. Water Systems, we pride ourselves on customer satisfaction. That's why we don't settle for any filters not made in America. We only sell the highest quality filters on the market. Thank you for watching, and remember, at U.S. Water Systems, we do everything with water, except walk on it.